Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the improvement of the infrastructure in Jamaica. Now the government has been doing a lot to improve the infrastructure. The schools, the hospitals, the roads, the highways, the airports, the ports. So we are going to go through an article where the Prime Minister talks about the government's the government steadfast in improving Jamaica's infrastructure. Now this is the Southern Coastal Highway. It's going to be renamed the Paul Bogle Highway very soon. And this is one example of the infrastructure that the government is building around Jamaica. This road takes you from Harborview to Port Antonio. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness says the government will continue to be relentless in pursuing infrastructure rehabilitation and development as a central part of the growth strategy. The plans include modernizing road networks, expanding access to water, upgrading airports and seaports, and enhancing educational and healthcare facilities. He was speaking at the launch of Aspire Jamaica, the government's new policy framework for inclusive growth at the Office of the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister stressed the importance of sustained efforts and investments over time to address both the existing infrastructure deficits and the impacts of climate change. Our legacy infrastructure was never designed to withstand what we are seeing today in terms of climate change, he said, noting that the administration has made unprecedented investments in infrastructure. Among the key projects is the Shared Prosperity through Accelerated Improvement to our Road Network SPARK program, which aims to comprehensively address road deficiencies across Jamaica. The Prime Minister also announced plans for significant improvements in water access and broadband internet connectivity for hundreds of communities. In a move towards sustainable energy solutions, he said that a major focus of our infrastructure investments going forward will be on energy, and in particular reducing the cost of energy. This includes diversifying energy sources and enhancing energy efficiency through public-private partnerships. Additionally, the Prime Minister revealed plans for an integrated waste management program aimed at improving waste collection and transitioning to waste-to-energy solutions. We will be able to close Riverton, he affirmed. As part of this transformative vision, the highway from Bull Bay to Morant Bay will be named the Paul Bogle Highway as a tribute to the national hero's significant contribution to Jamaica's rich heritage. We will not achieve robust economic growth by focusing only on Kingston and Montego Bay, said Prime Minister Holness, highlighting his vision to create new economic clusters at the parish level across Jamaica and ensure equitable growth for all citizens. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.